We are on the Celebrity Edge. We are on deck 3, room 151. We're in an ocean view room. And I really have not explored this room yet, so this is kind of my first time. But oh my gosh, is it nice. We were allowed to come in and drop our stuff off because our room keys, our C-Pass, they were sitting outside the door, which a lot of places are, or another, I can't talk. A lot of cruise lines are doing that now. But that is our closet. We have a couple drawers down there in our safe. And robes. Let's turn this on. A couple drawers there. Let's see what's in here. I guess it's a fridge. I don't know how to get in it. Oh well. Can't see, but there is a little table over there. How fancy that is. I feel, I don't know, swanky. Let's come in here. It's a decent size compared to some other ones. And it's a glass door. Ouch. So I just broke the glass door. All right. So that is our room. Standard ocean view room. Deck 3, room 151.